Okay, so what elevator are we gonna go on there?
We're at the Pioneer Place Airport Parking
Louder.
Garage in downtown Portland, Oregon, in the United States. These are ThyssenKrupp elevators. There's two of them. And one of them is just sitting on the ground level, it looks like.
All right, now come back here. Let's point up. So they're glass elevators. That's the most exciting thing about them. Look, you can see the counterweight moving up. There's another elevator probably going someplace.
And it has 8 floors and it goes underground. Right now on the ground level, which is the bottom floor, we can actually go lower. Lower is L1 and L2. L2 is the lowest floor. 8 is the highest floor.
All right, let's go. Let's go ride it. Let's go ride it. All right, you lead the way. Push the buttons. Hey, let's go see which one's gonna open.
I know it's going to be that one.
You think it'll be that one? Oh, yeah, looks like the other one's out of service.
Let's just go to 8 first, then L2 goes
All right. Okay. Wait, let everybody else get on first. Okay, let's go. You want to see outside the window?
Just there you go.
Ooh. Okay, let's see if you were right about the ThyssenKrupp. Where did you see? Where's the brand? I don't see
I
it.
just know what the chimes sound like on this.
Oh, you know about that?
I just knew it's a ThyssenKrupp. I used Tyson's too. Okay, after 8 we're gonna go to L2, then G, okay?
Okay.
L2.
Oh, we should go to L1 to Pioneer Place.
Oh. Okay, we wanna go to, come on, let's just get Then L2, then L1, okay? L2, L1. This is pretty nice. Pretty nice.
Oh, you can see that elevator over there. It's stuck. It's not working today.
What elevator?
The one over to our left,
Oh,
or my left.
yeah. Yeah, it said out of order, I knew it.
Now we're going underground.
What, L2 now? We're gonna go
L2.
L1 now, okay?
Yeah, let's go off on L1. I want to go to Pioneer Place. Okay, this is a parking garage. You can see out there. Okay, let's go to L1.
Oh, squeaky.
Squeaky door.
I think that's a car.
Here we go.
Right?
Still underground, but a little bit less underground.
L2 and L1.
L1. Caution, hot, going down. That's funny. You want to see if it goes into nudge mode? No? What if it does? Let's just try one more time. One more time. One more time. Let's just see what it does. We'll know by the tone, won't we? Let's make it go into nudge mode. You think it'll do it?
I don't want to go to one of those.
You don't?
Don't do it.
You don't want nudge mode?
No.
One more time. Let's just see what happens.
Don't do it again, okay?
No? Oh, it's in nudge mode. No, no, no. Yeah, stay out of it. It's nudge mode.
Oh, it stopped. But
Okay, cool. Sorry about that.
it was all your fault, Daddy, for making
No, that was cool. We got to see it.